Two powerhouse HR platforms. One, trusted by major enterprises. One, shaking up the space for small teams. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, ADP, the global HR, payroll, and compliance powerhouse. On the right, Justworks, bringing modern PEO simplicity for small teams. Let's skip the industry jargon and get straight to what matters for your business. We're scoring each category, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you.
Quick rundown for what we're getting into. We're going to break it down by pricing and transparency, feature set, service and support, integrations and scalability, company size fit, and user experience. So you'll get the full picture, no fluff.
So let's kick it off with pricing and transparency.
ADP first. Basically, ADP is mysterious. You have to request a quote, and pricing kind of depends on your company size and what you need, which can be good for huge orgs, but can also feel like, why is this so secretive? Meanwhile, Justworks just throws their pricing right out there on their website. Boom, it's up front. Way easier to budget. Not as many fancy options if you're a corporate giant, but for most folks, transparency just feels better, right? I mean, how annoying is it getting on a call just to get a price? Winner here, Justworks.
Let's move to feature set.
ADP is honestly a beast. Like, you need HRIS, full-on payroll, talent management, analytics, learning management, legal compliance help. They built it all. If you want every bell, whistle, and maybe even a foghorn, ADP's got you covered. But sometimes it feels like too much. Like, do small teams really need all this? Now, Justworks, much simpler. It covers payroll, benefits, basic HR, compliance, and even help for contractors or EOR stuff. Great for startups and SMBs. Less about deep corporate power moves. It's not as beefed up. Plus, yeah, less in the way of integrations for things like talent management or performance. But honestly, for most people, it's enough. Still, you know what? When you look at pure feature set, ADP's taking the trophy. All right, on to service and support. ADP goes kinda above and beyond. You get your own certified HR expert, yep, real human, plus legit support, even in over 200 languages. It's kind of wild. Extra legal and risk help is nice if you have those sticky HR moments. Downsides? If you're a tiny team, it might feel a tad impersonal. Justworks also offers 24/7 support with their PEO plans. Reviews say they're quick and helpful, but you don't get a dedicated expert every single time. So for that super personalized, legal-heavy support, ADP edges ahead.
Wait, side note, did you know that ADP was founded in 1949?
That's like old school payroll royalty. Meanwhile, Justworks started in 2012, so one's practically vintage and the other's the cool new kid on the HR block.
Okay, now integrations and scalability.
ADP lets you go full mad scientist. Hundreds of integrations. Seriously, if there's a tool, it probably plugs in. And if you expand internationally, they've got EOR partnerships. If you're a little startup, it might feel like overkill, or honestly, maybe a bit intimidating. Justworks, though, keeps it chill. Fewer integrations, more for small US companies, so you won't get lost in the weeds. But if you're dreaming big or planning to grow, ADP is the winner here. No contest.
Company size fit. Who's best for what business?
ADP can handle anything from lone freelancer to full-on Fortune 500. Like, there is no upper limit here. Sometimes, though, it's totally overbuilt for simple needs. Justworks? Pretty perfect for startups, SMBs, maybe a couple hundred employees tops. If you even think you'll go global or huge one day, Justworks might not scale so easily. ADP wins again because, well, there's no size they can't handle.
All right, user experience.
So, with ADP, you get a mobile portal and crazy reporting. Great if you love charts, but it can feel pretty, corporate. Not always the most inviting for someone just starting out. Justworks, though, is super clean, modern, and friendly. You pretty much step in and know what to do, especially if you're not from an HR background. It's intuitive, like almost fun to use. Sure, less customization, but user-friendliness counts. This round, Justworks walks away with it. If you map out all the comparisons, ADP pretty much dominates the enterprise, integration, and support categories. Justworks shines with pricing and user experience, especially for newcomers or small teams. That visual spread? Yeah, it's kind of clear ADP's built for scale, while Justworks is all about keeping it simple and friendly. So, bottom line, if your company is on the bigger side,
needs serious integration, or you're sweating about risk and legal stuff, ADP is your go-to. But hey, if you want something easy, straightforward, and perfect for small to mid-sized businesses, Justworks is honestly a solid pick. And sometimes less is more. If this helped you figure out the HR headache, give it a save or send to your business buddy. We'll be running more platform face-offs soon, so stick around.